Good morning, students. Last period we learnt Abdul Kalam's first vision, freedom. Okay, he believed freedom helps in building the nation. Now Abdul Kalam's second vision, page number, textbook page number 40. Now listen, Abdul Kalam's second vision. My second vision for India is development. For 50 years, we have been a developing nation. It is time to see ourselves as a developed nation. We are among the top 5 nations of the world in terms of gross domestic product. GDP means full form gross domestic product. G means gross, D means domestic and P means product. We have 10% growth rate is most area. Now listen again. Abdul Kalam's second vision for India is development. Okay, for 50 years we have been a developing nation. Since 50 years we are only developing, not developed nation. But his second vision, India be a developed nation. But here 50 years we have been a developing nation. It is time to see ourselves as a developed nation. Okay, we want to see India as a developed nation. We are among the top 5 nations. See our country India among top 5 nations of the world in terms of gross domestic product. We have 10% growth rate is most areas. Most area only 10% growth rate. Okay, most of the area only 10% growth took place. Okay, now next, our poverty levels are falling and our achievements are being globally recognized today. Okay, now see our poverty levels are falling and our achievements are globally recognized today. That Abdul Kalam says our poverty levels are falling and our achievements are being globally recognized. Globally recognized means noticed and accepted all over the world. Yet we lack the self-confidence to see ourselves as a developed nation. Means we don't have self-confidence to see ourselves as a developed nation. Actually, his only aim, you want to see India as a developed nation, not developing. Okay, developed nation. That only Abdul Kalam's aim. Okay, now see next page number 41. Page number 41. See page number 41. India must stand up to the world. Okay, India must be stand up to the world. Self-reliant and self-assured, isn't this right? India must stand up to the world. I have a third vision now. Abdul Kalam's third vision, that India must stand up to the world or no one will respect us. Only strength respects strength. Okay. Now see his third vision, that India must stand up to the world or otherwise no one will respect us. Only strength respects strength. We must be strong, not only as a military power, we must be strong, not only having military power, but also an economic power. Economically also we become strong. India becomes strong economically, not only military power, but economic condition also important. Okay, strong economic condition. Both must go hand in hand. Okay, military power as well as economic growth, then only India become developed country. Okay, military power as well as economical power. Economic and military go together, both go hand in hand, then only India become developed nation. Now listen next para. Why are we in India so embraced to recognize our own strength, our achievement? Why India all fail to recognize? Okay, embarrassed means fail to recognize our own strength. We all fail to recognize our own strength and own achievement. We are such a great nation. We have so many amazing success stories. India has so many amazing successful stories. Listen, okay? But we refuse to acknowledge them. But we Indians refuse to acknowledge them. We have so many successful stories. Okay, we have strength. Then also, what? We refuse to acknowledge them. Why? We are second largest producer of wheat in the world. See, India, second largest producer of wheat in India. Okay, all over the world, second place goes to India. Production of wheat. Okay, and we are the second largest producer of rice. Rice also second largest producer of rice. We are the first in milk production. Milk production, India leads, means first place goes to India, milk production. And wheat and rice second position. Okay, we are number one in remote sensing satellites. Okay, number one place, remote sensing satellites means man-made satellites launched into space for communication, weather forecast, etc. Okay, there also we are the top. Okay, number one position we got. Okay, and look at Dr. Sudarshan. He has transferred the tribal village into a self-sustaining, self-driving unit. See, Dr. Sudarshan, he has transferred, means changed the tribal village. Actually, tribals lived that village, but he totally changed it into self-sustaining. Self-sustaining means providing for one's needs, and self-driving. Okay, he changed it into self-sustaining and self-driving unit. There are millions of such achievements in India. Okay, but our media is obsessed only with bad news. But our media that telecast only bad news. Okay, bad news and failures and disasters. Always telecast bad news, failures, disasters, terrorist attack, whatever it is, that only they telecast. Okay, they never telecast achievements or any positive changes. Okay, now see next para. Do we not realize that self-respect comes with self-reliance? Okay, we not realize that self-respect comes with self-reliance. Okay, self-respect comes with self-reliance. Actually, self-reliance means what? That self-respect is self-reliance. Okay, self-respect means self-reliance. Okay, that self-respect comes to self-reliance. Okay, and self-driving means controlling ourselves. Okay, next, I was in Tel Aviv once and I was reading the Israeli newspaper. Abdul Kalam was reading Israeli newspaper. It was the day after a lot of attacks and bombardments. Okay, that time he reading Israeli newspaper. That time day after a lot of attacks. Okay, earlier day lot of attacks and bomb blast and deaths had taken place. Okay, the Hamas had struck, but the front page of the newspaper had the picture of a Jewish gentleman who in 5 years had transformed his desert land into an orchard, farm and granary. But see, that day earlier, means he was reading Israeli newspaper, but earlier day that bomb blast and many attacks took taken place, but newspaper front page Jewish gentleman 5 years at transformed means changed his desert land into a orchid farm and granary. Okay, he changed, totally changed one desert into a orchid farm and granary. It was this inspiring picture that everyone woke up to. The gory details of killings, gory means involving bloodshed and violence, bombardments and deaths were inside the newspaper, buried among other news. Isn't it possible in our country? See, in our country only they telecast bomb blasts, terrorist attacks, that all. Okay, they never telecast achievements or someone changed the desert into orchard or granary, all that. Okay, they never telecast such news. Okay, so Abdul Kalam says, isn't it possible in our country? In our country also means our media also want to show all achievements. Okay, they never show only negativity. Okay, that news that create negativity. Abdul Kalam uh, didn't like such news. Okay, now see, I want to live in a. Now listen. Next para. I want to live in a developed India. Another question, why are we as a nation so obsessed? Okay, always fail to recognize. So obsessed means, okay, obsessed with foreign things. Now see, all are crazy about using foreign things. Okay, we want foreign TVs. See, we want all foreign TVs. Okay, and we want foreign shirts also. Okay, foreign shirts. We want foreign technology, all whatever it is, everything we want foreign technology. Why this obsession, craze about that? Why? With everything imported, we need everything imported. Do we not realize that self-respect comes with self-reliance? No one recognizes self-respect comes with self-reliance. Okay, I was in Hyderabad. See, Abdul Kalam was in Hyderabad giving this lecture. That time he giving this lecture when a 14-year-old girl asked me for my autograph. One 14-year-old girl asked me for my autograph. I asked her, what are goal in life? I asked her, what is your goal in life? That time she replied, I want to live in a developed India. That time, that 14 years old girl's reply, I want to live in a developed India, not developing, developed India. Okay? For her, you and I will have to build this developed India. You must proclaim, okay, declare. Proclaim means declare confidently to all. Okay, for her means that 14 years old girl, and you all, I will have to build this developed India. You must proclaim. You all declare confidently. Okay, yes, we all work for it. Okay, we all want to see developed India, not developing India. Okay, now see here one question given. First and second question over. Now page number 41. Page number 41. See, there one question given. What are the characteristics of a developed nation? Okay, answer. Poverty levels are falling, self-reliant, self-assured, strong military power, high GDP rate. Okay, these all characteristics of a developed nation. Next question. What are the drawbacks of us Indians? Actually, see page number 41. Second para, we in India so embarrassed to recognize our own strength, our achievements, and we have so many amazing success stories, but we refuse to acknowledge them. These all drawbacks of us Indians, okay, drawbacks of Indians, okay. See page number 41, second para, we in India so embarrassed to recognize our own strength, our achievements, till achievements. After that, we have so many amazing successful stories, but we refuse to acknowledge them.